Welcome back. Today we are making a classic cocktail called the Clover Club. To start off this cocktail, we are going to do half an ounce of egg white, half an ounce of fresh squeezed lemon juice, preferably strained. Ah! Like I said, look at this nonsense. Goodness, look at the size of that pulp. Bro. Half an ounce of fresh squeezed lemon juice. Preferably not all over you. Goodness gracious. Hi. Okay. Half an ounce of raspberry syrup. Raspberry syrup didn't do it to me. Rude. And then 1.5 ounces of your favorite brand of gin. All right, because we have that egg white in there, we are going to do a dry shake or a mime shake to emulsify the egg white first. Make sure you're holding onto your shaker tin unless you would like to wear said cocktail. Woo! Okay. Now using the bottom of, or the smaller of the two shaker tins, bottom, top, who cares? Woo! I can smell raspberries. All right, we're going to use the small shaker tin, fill that with ice, and now we are going to shake for about 10 seconds just to get the cocktail nice and cold. All right. We did use fresh juice, so we're going to use our Hawthorne and our mesh strainer and strain right into our coupe glass. All right, so you get that beautiful frothiness. As always, no cocktail is complete without a garnish. So we're going to use a raspberry skewer. Ah, she's so pretty. Okay, like I always do, we are going to rate the cocktail. I'm going to taste it, give you my kind of 2 cents on it. 1 is the least best, 5 being the best of the best. All right, I'm going to leave my skewer in. I'm going to turn it around. Super creamy. It's all raspberry forward. I did use a New World gin, so it's not overly junipery or anything like that. It is recommended with your classic Clover Club to use a London dry gin. I did not do that this time, but I really enjoy this cocktail. It's not smacky in the face with any alcohol. It's very subtle, very easy to drink, but yet still fruit forward. I highly recommend. I have had a Clover Club before. This one's my favorite. Okay. Out of 5, I will have to give this one a 4.7. 4.7 out of 5. Very delicious cocktail, fruit forward, very simple, very easy to drink, and still very elegant and very classic. Okay. If you enjoyed the cocktail and my gorgeous face, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what your rating is for this particular cocktail, if you made it, of course. And I will see you guys in the next pour. Cheers.